Bernard Mumford, the owner of Mumford Restoration, and we have a really cool project in the shop at the moment. We wanted just to talk for a few minutes about this piece. It is a sewing cabinet, 18th century, from Paris. Our customer is here in the Raleigh and Chapel Hill area, and this piece was shipped from Paris in a container, and unfortunately they put a blanket around, and the blanket completely destroyed the marquetry and the veneer on the top of the piece. So we have reconstructed and re-veneered and put all the marquetry pieces back in place. The good news is that we were able to retrieve all of the marquetry pieces from the blanket, but the bad news was that the wood was warped. There was damage to the diamond pieces, the apple wood, the ebony, the walnut, the mahogany. There's all types of different inlay, and so each of these pieces was replaced, and then we did a complete conservation and French polishing of the entire cabinet. So we wanted to show you a little bit about how it opens. It has these two doors that open to an angle, which are quite beautiful, with handmade hinges as well. And then it has the box opening with a brass hinge that tilts each box back. And then inside is a separate box, and that box lifts out as well. So it makes quite a beautiful piece.